guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. So for those that are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you will subscribe. To my regulars, the OGs, thank you so much for sticking around. So I'm starting this vlog, guys, abruptly. We are at the mall with the kids, just me and the kids. So namhlanje sifike sibhurekile, guys. Besingayazi noma sakwenza ntoni. And it's so hot upper pandle, so I was like, okay, masilungiseni siklineni and then sihambeni siyopholani beach. So sawufika phana sondlala iflisi yethu sihlale sizipholele. Bona bazawungena emanzini but ke mna ke andizongena emanzini, hence ke the look. Uyabo, don't come for me and be like, you're going to the beach but then you're all dressed up and all that stuff. No, I'm so ndingene emanzini siqaleni up. Yayibona. So okay, yeah, guys, sizofuna just a few things like fruity and all that. I think I'm going to cheese board and then sihambeni ke ngoku. Qha ndisimake ndenze i-intro ndivule i-vlog. Also guys, kaloku don't forget before you even continue watching this vlog, just make sure that you are subscribed and also your notification bell is on so that every time I upload a video you get a notification. And also the most important thing, please make sure that you watch the ads, guys. Yabona ke ho funa ndijonge up ndijonge pha because lamntana is up to no good. Uzo scratch imoto zabantu awomi iza. So okay guys, yeah, enjoy the vlog. I will see you soon. Avela thina bethuna kanje endleleni khanijonge pesana sivele silale nje sithimbe esithubeni pesana.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's
Sijasafika ke guys. Sisayo khayela indawo ba agcwelanga, hopefully agcwelanga phofu. Yeah. Imoto hopefully agcwelanga.
Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see.
Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while.
Thingele insana zami ice cream bethuna sidiniwe. Dala sidala emanzini. Ngisifane ice cream. Siphinde siyophola kancinci and then sizogoduka. Ngawi. Thank you so much. Masambeni. Iten. Imant. Okay.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day. So it's early in the morning, hence the voice, guys. I just dropped off our at school. They woke up late today, so I had to intervene and help out. Drop her off while Ubaba no Asenati bethathe yabindlela. So I just came back now, and I'm going to hang the laundry that I did yesterday. But I can't so I'm gonna yona, and then go to a temba later. Ndiyokwenza inhloko, guys. It's a mess in here. It's a mess. It's a mess, guys. So I'm just going to wash my hair andizomatu amaflerho wethu yabo. Andikafuna ukwenza nto ngoku entloko, so I'll just do amaflerho and then come back and I've got things to send via Pexi, some parcels, and thereafter I will see what to do, but I will take you guys along with me.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So guys, I'm gonna start now with the cleaning business now, but I wanna quickly catch up on the trial yakasenzo meyiwa izolo khandiyibukele it. So mandiqale kwi-12 bukele le yange-12, and then I need to clean up ke le mess. I-couch igcwele impahla nje ku-dermatar, so I'm gonna watch that while I'm cleaning.
Can you tell this court now who was present in that particular boardroom? Akucacisele inkantolo ke bekunabobani eboardroom.
Yo guys, having a toddler, I'm telling you, kuzaba masapha endlini. Tell me why this child, all these things I am engakanga ayibuyisele empty box le puzzle. So I bought him this, I think last month or so, but yebo idlaka kanjani because kaloku he can't take care of it. So now let me just get all these buyisele endaweni yazo. Woo, sana. This is really cool, guys. If une toddler, this is yabo right, so that akwazi numbers, akwazi shapes, ayazi ilantu ziya the alphabet na, yeah, or ABCD yonke lanto. So it's really cool. So manje nimenzisa apha ndithi ngusilo faka usi amfake apha ke enze yonke lanto, just that wami umntana ke sana akakwazi ukucleana after himself.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. backwards, yeah. Time's out, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah.
Cleaning the house and then let us go to a mall, and then we head straight to a Temba. You see, like, guys, it always comes to my rescue because now no one is gonna notice that I've got intloko evukuvuku. Abazoyibona, guys, but ndiyayazi nami nikazi. So yeah, guys, let me show you the outfit of the day. Show you guys my outfit of the day. So let's see this cardigan with and then I'm just wearing el daki and izihlangu. And then let's go.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever, yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me, yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
Don't know why I packed so far. Go with the walker, son. Long walk to freedom. Yeah, done with the apple. Let us go to a Temba. -1 problem. I seen a Temba again. So Lusani and Intloko. And then it just started raining, guys. That time I don't even know where I parked my car. I know we park somewhere, but I don't know where. Yo.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight.
Ooh, guys, ngaze ngacekeke life ngaze ndadikwa kanje. Yafika up. Ayikho lentombazana kule salon. And ke sana ndibacengile because kaloku sana inhloko uhlanjwe salon. Oh, amazi nobuye phi? Like abantu abenza ibusiness benza njani na guys? Uvela unyamalale nje uhamba ungachazi noma uye phi. Andonele. Let me go and check. Khona isalon enye ngapha ngendla endiyojonga khona. Lo yena usegrand imali. Nako ikaloku sozuvela unyamalala uhamba ungaziwa ngabantu oba uphi. Ake ndiyojonga kwenye and then ndibona uba nawuhlamba nakhona angisebhoreke.
Enter by purchasing any ticket and then visit www.ticketglobal.com.
Oh, Makoti is cute and all that stuff. So yeah, okay, guys, this is exactly what I wanted. Just the wig lines, whatever you call it, with my own hair. So let's go home. It is so cold. Hey bo. Yo.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
I am still on my way home, okay, guys. But ngicingile uba umntana uzoshoda ngento zophatha ngomso esikolweni and then ndifuna umenzela umphokoqo namasi because ke sana one thing ngowam umntana akafuni kutya, so ndifuna umenzela umphokoqo namasi, so ndicinge uba amasi and then nezinto ezincinci, so ndise-Checkers. So okay guys, it is a few days later and I see now that I'm editing this vlog that there was just no outro. Ndavele ndayeka nje uvloga nje esithubeni. So I guess this is to say that's the end of the vlog. I hope you're watching until this far. Please do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And most importantly, I'll remind you once again, it was watching the ads. I hope you did that, and even with the next videos, please do watch the ads. Give it to Nani. Bye bye. I'll see you on my next one.